again!
Me too! That was so good! But right now, the comet is about to appear.
Follow me! I see the perfect spot to watch it from.
Oh no! Clouds! Looks like we won't see the comet after all. Well, we tried.
Ruby, we got this far, and we're not going to let a few clouds stop us from seeing the comet.
Yes. What are you thinking?
I think I know a way. The turbocycle has rockets on it, like a rocket ship, and rocket ships blast straight up.
So we'll make the turbocycle do that too.
Prepare for blast-off! 3, 2, 1... Blast off! Stabilizing rockets!
Nice work!
Thanks!
I see it!
There it is!
Oh,
Amazing!
so beautiful. Thanks for making my dream come true, Rusty.
That's what friends do. They help each other turn motorcycles into rocket ships. Oh, I almost forgot the most important part. Everything's better with popcorn.
Yeah, you're right.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.